Hello, my name is Jamia Lateef. I am from Colorado originally. I've done 7 years in the Army Reserves. I'm a specialist, and I'm so grateful that I got a chance to take a chance with vet tech and intellectual point. This school is very much so tried and true. They are true to their word, and their programs are amazing. Yeah, I did take advantage of the AI ML program. The certifications that I received, I got the Security Plus. I received the Splunk Core Power User and the Splunk Core User. There was an NVIDIA cert that we learned about. We did Linux Plus, and we also did UiPath on top of those as well. The experience was amazing. I know at the beginning, as all of the pathways, they start with Security Plus for the most part, and that was a great start to the program as a whole. Just the camaraderie with all of the students and the way that the instructors taught was just amazing. They offered just study groups, which I was so grateful for because I am new to tech. I do have a degree. My degree is in sociology, so I was brand new to tech. So being that I was able to receive that certification within about 3 weeks to a month, that was astonishing. Since I am still a part of it, being an alum, I have access to the career services, and Leah has done a great job connecting me with recruiters. That is how I landed the job that I'm currently at. I'm an IT Analyst. Well, I'm with a subcontractor, SSI, but I work for Bowhead on a Navy base, and I'm very, very grateful for this opportunity. And it's only setting me up to do greater things, and I'm very grateful that I have these connections with IP. What stood out to me is that they were always in contact. Whenever I needed them, I could contact them, and they were always available. Even though I don't go to the school anymore, they still made themselves available to help me and connect me with whoever they had connections with to allow me to succeed in my career. Just give it a try, honestly. I know that sometimes with just even thinking about trying something new, the first step to getting out there is to taking that step and actually going out on a limb and taking a chance on yourself. I would say that is the first step that I would advise them to do. And after that intellectual point, they do a great job with guiding and leading you on the path of success. You have to put the time in, especially when you're new to a career or a path. You have to give it your all. And if you really want it, you will put the time in. And if you do that, there's no way that you could fail. It's only success from there. I'm just so very grateful because of where I am today. And that is all thanks to Vet Tech and Intellectual Point.